In today's video, we'll follow Emily's daily routine from morning to night. And don't forget to stay until the end for a review of helpful vocabulary and phrases that you can use to describe your own day. My name is Emily, and I am a university student studying biology. My daily routine is quite busy, but I try to stay organized so I can balance school, health, and personal time. I believe that having a solid routine helps me stay focused and motivated, especially when I have many tasks to complete. Every day is a chance to improve myself, so I try to make the most of it. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. At first, it is sometimes difficult to get out of bed, but I remind myself that I have goals to achieve. The first thing I do is stretch because it helps my body wake up gently. I also drink a glass of water to stay hydrated. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face. I enjoy this quiet time in the morning because it feels peaceful and sets a positive tone for my day. Breakfast is very important to me. I like to eat something healthy, usually yogurt and fruit or oatmeal with honey. While eating breakfast, I check my schedule and make a short to-do list. Planning my day in the morning helps me stay on track and reduces stress. I believe that small habits like this make a big difference. I also take a few minutes to read the news or listen to a short podcast before getting ready to leave. At around 7:30, I pack my bag and walk to the bus stop. My first class starts at 8:30 a.m., so I always try to leave early. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes, and during that time, I often review my notes or listen to music. Sometimes I watch the people around me and think about their stories. I find it interesting that everyone is going somewhere for their own reasons. During the morning, I focus on my lectures. Biology can be challenging, so I take notes carefully and try to ask questions when I do not understand something. I believe that being active in class helps me remember information better. At noon, I usually eat lunch with my friends in the cafeteria. We talk about our studies, upcoming exams, and sometimes even our future plans. These conversations make me feel supported because I know I am not alone in my journey. After lunch, I have more classes until around 3 p.m. When the school day is over, I often go to the library. It is a quiet and comfortable place to study. I usually spend about 2 hours there reviewing lessons or working on assignments. I sometimes listen to soft background music because it helps me concentrate. I try not to use my phone too much while studying so I can stay focused. If I finish my work early, I read a few pages of a book to relax my mind. Around 5 p.m. I head home. I take a short break to rest before doing anything else. Sometimes I lie down for a few minutes or close my eyes to clear my mind. In the evening, I like to exercise for about 30 minutes. I either go for a walk outside or do yoga in my room. Physical activity helps me feel energetic and reduces stress from studying. I believe that taking care of the body also helps the mind stay strong. After exercising, I prepare dinner. Cooking is one of my favorite activities because it allows me to be creative. I enjoy making simple meals like pasta, chicken with vegetables, or rice with salad. Sometimes I try new recipes that I find online. After dinner, I take a shower and then spend time with my family. We chat, laugh, and share stories about our day. Sometimes we watch a TV show together or play a short board game. At night, I try to have some personal time. I usually read a book, review my notes, or listen to calming music. This helps me relax and prepare for the next day. Before going to bed, I write in my journal. I write about my feelings, things I learned, and goals I want to achieve. Journaling helps me reflect on my day and appreciate the small things. I believe that gratefulness is an important habit. I usually go to bed at 10:30 p.m. because I like to feel rested and ready for tomorrow. Before sleeping, I take a moment to think about something positive. It might be a conversation I had, something I learned, or simply the fact that I had a productive day. Doing this makes me feel peaceful. This is my daily routine, and it helps me stay healthy, productive, and focused on my goals. I know that every day will not be perfect, but I try to make progress step by step. A good routine gives structure, and structure gives confidence. I believe that staying organized, taking care of myself, and always trying to learn are the keys to success in both school and life. Before we finish, let's review a few useful words and phrases. Routine, a regular way of doing things. Example, I follow a daily routine to stay focused. Organize, to arrange things or plan clearly. Example, I organize my school bag before leaving. Library, a quiet place where people can read, study, and borrow books. It often has tables, computers, and many kinds of books for learning. Example, I go to the library after school to study and read books. Productive, doing a lot of useful work or getting many things done. It describes someone who uses their time well. Example, today was a productive day. I finished all my homework. Refresh, to feel rested and full of energy again. Example, a short walk refreshes my mind. Positive mindset, a hopeful and confident way of thinking. Example, a positive mindset keeps me motivated. Support each other, to help and encourage one another. Example, my friends and I support each other. Review my notes, to check and read notes again. Example, I review my notes before exams. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep learning English every day, and I'll see you in the next video.